Welcome everybody to the debut episode of the Flashback Friday. I am your host, Mr. Wolf. Thank you for making me a part of your day. What we're doing today is we're going to go back in time to the very first semester of this school year and look at the very first couple of units just as a refresher. So those of you who may not have made it to the second semester and are in credit recovery classes, this will definitely benefit you. If you need some brushing up of your notes, of some prior knowledge for future references, this is a great session for you. So sit back, relax, grab your notes, check them out, see if you need to add some things to it, see if you just need to write some notes down, and let's get started. Okay, the very first unit we looked at in the first semester was number sense. In that, we saw whole numbers as our first lesson. Within this lesson, you're going to come across 5 different definitions. In your notebooks, check if you have these 5 definitions. Not only will you need those definitions, you will also need an example, and we will go over those right now. Your first definition is set. A set is a collection of items or numbers where order does not matter. Your next definition is element, the items or numbers in a set. A golden retriever is an element of the set of dogs, and chimps are an element from the set of monkeys. Whole numbers are numbers in the set 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, etc. They do not include negative numbers, fractions, decimals, or irrational numbers. Prime numbers are a whole number that is exactly 2 factors, itself and 1. 1 is not a prime number. A Venn diagram is a diagram that uses 2 or more circles to represent sets and their relationships. The great thing about this video is you can pause it and rewind it. If you listened to all 5 of those terms and definitions and didn't catch them as we were reading them, go back, rewind, pause it. Take your time with that, because that's going to drive a lot of your examples that you're going to see. Now, with that being said, the next element that's going to be in your notes will be examples of those terms in action. So right now, we're going to go into some practice questions. So those of you that have your notebooks ready, these definitely need to go in your notes, because when you come across them in your homework assignments and your quizzes or even tests, you will have those examples in the notebook to use as a reference, so you're able to know what to do when you see them again. Time to practice. Number 1. Which of the following is not a whole number? A, 9, B, 3, C, 0, D, negative 2. Number 2. Which of the following is not a prime number? A, 2, B, 3, C, 4, or D, 5. One is negative 2, because negative 2 is a negative number, and the definition of a whole number is does not count a negative number. So if you got D, negative 2, congratulations. The correct answer for number 2 is C, 4, because 4 is a composite number. A composite number is a natural number greater than 1 that has at least one positive factor other than 1 and itself. Time to practice Venn diagrams. When using Venn diagrams that have 2 different elements, you will see that each one, left side and right side, will have a category. We have multiples of 5 on the left and odd numbers on the right. Your first step is to complete the left and right sides of the circle. For multiples of 5, you just write down in that circle the multiples of 5. Examples shown below. On the right is the odd numbers. Again, examples shown on the right. Your second step is to find the common numbers on both sides. So you will look at the left and the right for common numbers. Again, on the left and the right below, you see examples of 5, 15, and 25 being the common numbers found on both sides. Your third step is to remove the numbers from both lists and place them where the two circles overlap. This will mean that these numbers in the overlap have a characteristic of both multiples of 5 and odd numbers. Hey guys, that'll about do it for us. Thank you so very much. If you liked this video, give it a thumbs up. Leave some comments below if it helped you or not. If it didn't, let me have some suggestions. I'm always open to suggestions. Hit that subscribe button so you're able to see new videos coming out about every other day in second semester and, of course, the Flashback Fridays. Until next time, bye-bye.